Hello everyone, I'm Edmund Manuel Sacerdo. Today I am introducing a fantastic visitor attraction in Australia, the Newcastle Coastal Spots, specifically the Batters Way and the Newcastle Memorial Walk. Located 2 hours north of Sydney, this is a 6-kilometer coastal pathway connecting Newcastle's main beaches. The Memorial Walk section was built in 2015 to honor local Anzac soldiers, and the city is still making history. It is a beautiful mix of nature, culture, and history. What's the importance of tourism system? In the wider tourism system, the coastal walk acts as a primary pull factor, the main magnet drawing visitors to the city. According to Laker's tourism model, attractions drive the whole system. When tourists visit this walk, they also spend money at local cafes, stay in nearby hotels, and use local transfers as well. This means the coastal path directly supports local businesses and keeps Newcastle tourism economy alive and growing. Sustainability and challenges. Because this attraction is free and highly popular, it faces two main visitor management challenges. Number one, crowding. On weekends, paths and parking areas get heavily congested. Number two, environmental pressure. Being right on the ocean means the cliff faces strong wind, salt water, and land erosion. To keep it sustainable, the local council uses strong weather-resistant materials for the paths and places plenty of bins to protect the marine environment from litter. Destination competitiveness. To see how this helps Newcastle compete with other destinations, we look at the Ritchie and Crouch model. The model states that natural beauty is a core resource. Newcastle has great beaches, but this is not enough. You need excellent destination management as well. By building a safe, world-class walkway, the city manages its natural resource perfectly. This makes Newcastle a highly competitive destination for travelers. In conclusion, the Newcastle coastal spot shows how a natural attraction can boost a city's economy. By managing crowds and protecting the coast from erosion, Newcastle ensures the spot stays successful for the future. Sources. Here on screens are the academic and industry sources used for this presentation, formatted in AIH Harvard style. Again, this is Edwin Asierda. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.